FreshForex turns 15. A birthday is a good reason for gifts. FreshForex will give presents to all clients of the company. We will give away $15,000 among our new clients. And 15 ounces of gold will be raffled off among our active clients. Take part in the celebratory raffle and get your prizes. FreshForex turns 15. A birthday is a good reason for gifts. FreshForex will give presents to all clients of the company. We will give away $15,000 among our new clients. And 15 ounces of gold will be raffled off among our active clients. Take part in the celebratory raffle and get your prizes.
Hello. Good morning. Good morning. So today this is the second last day of the week. We'll start off with the main pair on our screen. Start off with the USDJPY. So from yesterday, if you can remember, we actually were expecting a buy when price retraced back up to this level here. We had a line at the top, which is here. We had a line, and we also had another line here. Then we mentioned that as long as the price remained above that zone, we expected it to proceed even higher. So if you were looking at this chart and you were expecting a trade, you actually ought to have bought from this point here. If you bought, as you said, this is a loss, but then currently the price is moving to the lower side. So let price come back to somewhere in between this range here. Let price get back to somewhere in between this zone, yeah, then you should be able to pick a buy. Expect that buy to take price even higher. So whatever happened now, this could be a possible change in trend, which means if price again breaks below this level 108.49, then we expect it to continue even lower. So if price moves down, we'll wait for a retracement, then we'll pick another long-term sell up to the next level, this one. So the idea basically is not to buy now, wait for price. If it bounces off from this level, we'll pick a buy. If it breaks below this level, simply wait for a retracement, then we pick a buy, expecting that buy to take us up to the support 106.68. So we'll move to the next chart. We'll move to the next symbol, GBP USD. USD is here. USD. So GBP/USD looks like we are continuing to the upper side. After some retracement, the price actually has decided, and somehow we are heading to the upper side. So what this means is we are seeing a possible chance that the price may continue to the upper side. We start. Then we also drew a line from the bottom just some few days ago. Then we mentioned that if price continued to remain within this zone, then we did expect a break below. So instead of breaking below, the price actually broke above, and somehow we are still above. So we expect price to proceed up to this level first of all, 1.3009. If price continues up to that level, it should break above, continue even higher. So the best here is actually not to, you should not be looking for a trade now. Wait for a retracement and you pick a buy. So the buy actually started when this happened. This was yesterday. This is where the buy started. The price is continually making higher lows, and the indicators are showing us the same thing. It's an uptrend, and the main line, which is this blue one, is actually above 25, which means we expect price to proceed to the higher side. So if you are trading this chart now, you better be looking for more buy positions. Keep looking for buy orders, and first of all, if you buy it, ensure that the price reaches this level before you step out, 1.3009. So if price breaks above, then it should continue even higher. So we'll move forward. We'll move next chart, USD JPY, USD. Euro USD is also bullish. The indicator is showing us a buy. This indicator, the ADX indicator, is showing us a buy. Showing us a buy from this level here. From this point, we are seeing a buy. Then if I was to add another indicator, the alligator indicator, you'll also see that the trend is upwards. Just look at how perfect this is. So the alligator started showing us a buy from this point, but the other indicator started showing us a good buy from this point, which means you're supposed to be holding a buy as we're speaking. So I'm not going to draw levels on this one. The trend here looks much more clearer, but if you are looking for a level, then you need to wait for retracement up to this point. Then you'll be able to pick a buy, expect that buy to take price even higher. So we'll move forward. We'll move to our next chart, and that should be SP500. SP500 is also very bullish. The price is heading upwards, but then the indicator, which is this one, there is no active trend because the main line is below 25, and then the green one is just crossing above the red one. So I cannot say that this is a clear trend. There is no clear trend from this. From when this happened, there has not been a clear trend when the main line slid below 25. So there is no trend on this one, but if you are looking for levels, then this is the resistance which has just been broken. So this is the resistance which has just been broken. Resistance, there's a gap above, a retracement. Somehow we are still above the same place. So as long as the price remains above this level, expect it to proceed even higher. Expect price to move upwards. It should go up to somewhere around 4,000 ultimately. So if you successfully buy it around the zone which I'm saying, you look for continuation signs. It doesn't have to be the line which I've drawn here. It can be any line above this level, but then keep looking for signs that you're continuing upwards. Then you'll be able to buy it up to the time when the trend reverses. Move forward. Brent oil. So Brent oil on the weekly chart, we've been looking for a buy all along. The price keeps on moving to the upper side. So we want to see exactly, are we continuing upwards or we're supposed to look for a sell? The weekly chart at a level here. Support. This is support. Then we had a line running all the way from the top, passing through these three. This one. So far the price is supposed to continue upwards up to this trend line before bouncing off to the last side, and we still expect that. We expect the price to move up to that distance and possibly bounce off from it like that, or it should break above to mean we are continuing to the upper side. So as it is now, I don't want to rely on this indicator or the one at the bottom, but if price gets to this level here, this is going to be a good sell. It breaks above, expect it to proceed even higher up to this level. This is the first level, and this is the next level. If price breaks above, if price goes above this level, simply wait for retracement, then a move upwards, then we'll also wait for that retracement so that we can again buy it, expecting that buy to take us up to the top. So basically this is what we expect to happen. The price should proceed up to the top. On the bottom we have this level here. So we'll move forward. We move to our last symbol, gold. Gold has been bullish for some time now. The price keeps making higher highs and higher lows. So that means we are somehow still proceeding to the upper side. If you are looking at this chart now, this is an uptrend. If you have the trend indicator, the one we are using, you can see that the price actually spiked up and somehow we are consolidating in some shape. This is like a flag formation. So what this means is it's always a very good continuation sign. When you see price move up and then begins to consolidate, expect a break above the highest high of that flag, that is here. Then wait for that retracement and you should be able to buy it again. It is the break above this point that means we are now continuing upwards. As long as the price remains above this high, we are not doing anything. So this should be the correct place to buy it from. If you check daily we have this level there, have that, and this becomes a very good shape. Very good shape that as long as the price remains in between, we are going to only be interested in reversal. So if price reverses from the upper line, we look for sell. If it goes down but bounces off from this line here, we'll expect a buy. So as it is now, I don't recommend you do anything. Rather wait for some sell here up to the lower sell. So this is according to the daily. If you are looking at the daily chart, you should be waiting for a sell. Expect that sell to take price up to that trend line where you may be interested in a buy, expecting price to push to move upwards. So that should bring us to the end of this market overview. If you have any questions, kindly feel free to post them under the chat option, or if you have any comments, if you just have anything which you need me to talk about and the charts which I've mentioned, you can still ask that, but only through this chat. So thank you. See you. Bye.
$15,000 among our new clients, and 15 ounces of gold will be raffled off among our active clients. Take part in the celebratory raffle and get your prizes. FreshForex turns 15. A birthday is a good reason for gifts. FreshForex will give presents to all clients of the company. We will give away $15,000 among our new clients, and 15 ounces of gold will be raffled off among our active clients. Take part in the celebratory raffle and get your prizes. FreshForex turns 15. A birthday is a good reason for gifts. FreshForex will give presents to all clients of the company. We will give away $15,000 among our new clients, and 15 ounces of gold will be raffled off among our active clients. Take part in the celebratory raffle and get your prize.